Today is Wednesday, and this day is the day that I try, or I would like to try, to read in English. Reading. And I'm going to use a magazine. The name of magazine is SOBRE. It's the magazine. It's a magazine that I found on the hall of the library, because the place that I use to record my videos, to record this video, is on a library, the library of my university. I study at PUCPR in Curitiba, Brazil, and in the hall of the library we have a lot of magazines and books, and I saw this magazine, different magazine, and I thought, let's get this magazine, and I will try to reading and to speak in English using this text. Okay, the name of this magazine is SOBRE, like I said. The edition is Spring 2018, Wallonia and Brussels. And the main title is Dinner is Served. Designer Charles Cousin knows how to throw a party. Let's see what text we have to read today, because the last video I read, let's see, the last video about this edition, this magazine, a specific edition, Spring 2019. I read the page number 4, but the small text on this page. The page number 4, the title says news and a business update from around the region. All right, the page number 4, is it here? I can show to you. And the last video I tried to read this small text here, and there is no problem that we try to read small texts, no problem. We just have to expose, just try to read the things, the text, the situations, because the most important thing is to try, in my opinion. I don't know. News. The title is Dreamwall provides virtual decor backdrop to Thai elections. It was the last text, but I'm gonna try to read again today. A Charleroi design studio has helped TV viewers in Thailand better understand their country's elections with tailor-made virtual scenery. Dreamwall was commissioned by Spring News to provide the backdrop for its live coverage of the election result in March. Designers and engineers flew to Thailand and managed the virtual studio, which was built around a glass dome inspired by Bangkok's Democracy Monument. Elections results were displayed in augmented reality using virtual technology. I don't know how can I say this in English. The electronic address, I don't know, enn.drdreamwall.b. Okay, it's the text. Let's try to read the next text, the main text for this video today. The text is it. In this moment, I read this text, okay, this text. And now I'm going to try to read this small text here. Let's try to read this. Europe's largest virtual reality parks open in Moscow. Let's repeat. Europe's largest virtual reality park opens in Moscow. It's the title. Now the text. A new leisure park dedicated to virtual and augmented reality has opened in Moscow and claims to be the biggest of its kind in Europe. Visitors to virtual park put on a VR headset and immerse themselves in 4,000 meters of game space. There are 7 virtual and augmented reality worlds, some suitable for children as young as 3. Prices start off €40 for children and €50 for adults. Virtual park will be open 6 days a week and can accommodate up to 300 players a day. The electronic address is virtualpark.eu. It's the second text. On the next video, I'm going to try this text, this small text here. You can see. But today it's enough for me, I think, and I tried to read this text and this text, and I tried to speak English here. When I try to read, I try to speak something, let something that come in my mind. Just try to do it, okay? It's the most important thing here. See you in the next video. See you the next week. Bye bye.